Hello everyone, in this video I'll create a simple ring with an infinity symbol. So let's get started. First let's delete the basic sphere and add a cylinder. This cylinder will be the size of the ring. The size will be 18 millimeters. Since inputting circle parameters in Nomad Sculpt uses radius, and if we don't want to calculate half of the diameter, we simply need to enter 18.2. I'll make its width 7 millimeters to have reference points for creating the infinity symbol. Next, using the tube tool in lasso mode, I'll draw the infinity symbol on the cylinder and edit its profile. The most challenging part for me was to draw a symmetric figure 8. Don't forget to turn on snap to align points to the cylinder. After moving points for a while, I managed to create a fairly decent shape. Using the gizmo tool, I'll lift the upper part of the figure 8, and after remeshing it, I'll mask the top part of the symbol. With the gizmo tool, I'll stretch the unmasked part downwards until the symbol intersects with the cylinder. I need to smooth the mesh to make it look nicer. Let's add another cylinder. This will be the ring. I'll input the value of 21.2 and adjust the width. Using the trim function in polygon mode, I'll cut off the excess. I'll merge the symbol and the ring. Then using a cylinder, I'll cut out the ring. Let's render the result in gold. You can download this ring for free using the link in the description. The ring will be in STL format so that you can 3D print it. That's all for now. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.